Have you ever woken up, stared at the ceiling, and felt the weight of another day dragging you down? You know the drill. Snooze your alarm twice, rush through your morning routine, and dive headfirst into the same soul-crushing 9-to-5 grind that feels more like a hamster wheel than a life. You're not alone. The truth is, millions of people feel trapped in a routine they despise. Maybe it's the endless traffic during your commute, or the way your boss's emails fill you with a creeping sense of dread. Or perhaps it is the unshakable realization that you're spending the best years of your life building someone else, stream while yours collects dust on the shelf. But here's the twist. The system isn't broken. It was built this way. From childhood, we're told to get good grades, find a stable job, and work hard. They promised us security and happiness, but what they handed us was a desk, fluorescent lights, and a dream that's always out of reach. The cost of the 9-to-5. Let's talk about what this routine takes from you. Your time. The hours you trade for money don't just come from your workday. They're taken from your evenings, weekends, and the moments you should be spending with loved ones or pursuing your passions. Your health, stress, sleepless nights, and barely having time to cook a healthy meal. How often do you ignore your own needs just to keep up? Your soul, the creativity you've buried, the dreams you've set aside, and the hobbies you can't remember the last time you enjoyed. Worst of all, you've been conditioned to believe this is normal, that this is what life is supposed to be. But deep down, you know better. You know there's more out there. You've just never been shown how to reach it. What if there's another way? Now, imagine this. Waking up when you want, not when an alarm demands it. Spending your days working on something you're passionate about. Having the freedom to travel, spend time with family, and enjoy life instead of enduring it. This isn't a fantasy. It's a reality for countless people who dared to question the status quo. And it can be your reality too. But it starts with one simple decision: to take control of your life. How to break free from the 9-to-5. Identify your passion. What lights you up? What is the one thing you could talk about or do for hours without noticing the time pass? Build skills that pay, whether it's writing, graphic design, coding, coaching, or something else entirely. Invest in skills that align with your passion. In today's digital world, the opportunities to monetize your talents are endless. Start a side hustle. You don't need to quit your job tomorrow. Start small. Dedicate a few hours a week to building something of your own. Freelance, sell a product, create content, whatever fits your vision. Create multiple income streams. The key to freedom is diversification. Don't rely on one source of income. Build a portfolio of revenue streams, passive and active, to safeguard your future. Learn financial literacy. The more you understand about money, how to save it, invest it, and grow it, the faster you can gain independence. The power of choosing your own path. Here's the thing. Breaking free isn't just about the money. It's about reclaiming your time, your energy, and your purpose. When you step off the hamster wheel, you realize the world is filled with opportunities you can. Travel the world and work remotely. Spend your days helping others through meaningful work. Dedicate time to hobbies and interests that bring you joy. Be present for your family without constantly checking the clock. The motivation to begin, it won't be easy. There will be challenges, moments of doubt, and setbacks. But the question isn't, is it hard? The question is it worth it? And the answer is a resounding yes. Because every step you take towards freedom is a step away from the chains of monotony. Every skill you build, every hour you invest in your dream, brings you closer to a life that's truly yours. So, ask yourself, what's stopping you? Fear? Doubt? The comfort of routine? Let me tell you something. The comfort zone is a trap. Nothing grows there. But the moment you take a leap, the moment you say, "No more 9 to 5," is the moment you start living. Your time is now. This is your wake-up call. The life you've been dreaming of isn't waiting for you. It's out there, but you have to go and claim it. You have one life. Don't spend it building someone else's dream. Build your own. No more excuses. No more waiting. No more 9 to 5. The journey starts today. Are you ready?